Alright guys, let's walk through how to create a promoted pin with Pinterest. Alright, so we're on our avocado account. Now what you first need to have is you need to have a business account to access the ads portion on here. So if you don't see ads and analytics here at the top left, then you need to set up your account as a business account. But what you want to do is go ads over here and click overview. This is going to give you a total overview of the ads you're running, how many impressions you're getting, how much engagement you're getting, your conversions, your spend, all of these things. Now, the campaign, there are quite a few different campaigns in here, but the only one you really need to focus on is traffic campaign, because you want to be getting more traffic to your website, right? You don't really care about awareness or building engagement, right? You want to see actual visitors show up at your website. So that's the only kind of campaign you want to be running. So let's click view all. Now you'll see back in here that I talked a little bit that Avocado really doesn't run ads, and we were just experimenting with something back here, and that is we are trying to retarget people to our 21-day fat loss challenge page. And you can see that the ads we're running only account for maybe 5 visitors a day to our page, so no real traffic is coming from there. But we're experimenting and playing around with trying some retargeting and things. But as stated before, weight loss niche, it's super difficult to get an ad approved, and this is kind of the only one we've been able to get approved. And you know, it hadn't led to like any insane results or anything like that. But just wanted to explain that. So you also see back here in your dashboard of your campaign that you're running, you're going to see the total clicks that you're getting to your ads. You can see how much money you're spending on it by clicking up here as spend. So we can click spend and then spend, and you can see the exact dollar amount we're spending per day running ads. Looks like an average of $3 to $4, somewhere in there. It's kind of the average money we're spending on the ad itself. But what we want to do right now is we want to create our first campaign. So what we do up here is we click create campaign. Remember, the goal is to get traffic to our website, so we're going to choose a campaign and we're going to create a new traffic campaign. Click this. And let's just call it weight loss traffic. This lifetime cap spend, you don't really have to worry about this unless there's some sort of set amount you have to spend, like you're running it for a company's budget or something like that, and your budget is $1,000. Well, then you can set it to $1,000. But really, we're just going to leave this optional, and we are going to go to the next section down here and add more details. And so what you want to do is you want to name your ad group, so you can create a set of ads inside of a single group. So let's just you know, and Pinterest suggests up here women's fashion 18 through 35. They suggest making your ad group name the target person that you're kind of going after. But we're just going to do weight loss traffic. And we're going to run this ad group continuously. We're going to set an ad budget. Let's just set it to $5 a day. And now we can do audiences, that we can set up custom audiences. But what we really like to do is by keywords. So we come down here and we type in keywords that we think people will be interested in. So for instance, if we, again, we can't run this campaign, but theoretically what we could do is if we wanted to get more weight loss traffic, we would look for people who are typing in weight loss. Right? People who are, we'll add that keyword, we'll add this keyword, we'll add that keyword, weight loss before and after. We can add all of these keywords that people are searching to our campaign. So what does that mean exactly? What that means is that we are targeting people who type in certain keywords. So whenever someone types in weight loss motivation into the search engine, weight loss motivation, well, we can run an ad that will pop up here under the search term weight loss motivation. For instance, this is one of the keywords that Fit, Fab, and Fun is promoting under. They're promoting under when someone types the weight loss motivation, they've gone back here and they've set up this keyword right here, weight loss motivation, and it's being targeted. Now, when creating a list of keywords, you actually do want to create a large list of 20 to 30 keywords is best. So we could do weight loss, we do how to lose weight, and that should come up with a bunch of different keywords that we can target. How to lose weight in a week, lose weight in a week. Some people misspell lose in the weight loss niche. But overall, we want to gain about 20 to 30 keywords in here. And now you can narrow down in a few ways. You can narrow down by only US locations. You can do languages. You can do by devices, so what devices people are on. So web is someone using their desktop browser versus someone using their iPad or their iPhone or their Android mobile or Android tablet. So you can select which demographic or which device you want people to come to your ad from. For instance, like if you're selling a product, usually web or iPad are going to be better for conversions than phone and Android mobile and these things, because most people buy on their computers. They don't buy as much on their phones. Just a little hint there. But you're going to set up all these things based on the demographic that you want and want. So say you only want men. Well, you can come down here and select men. And then what you do is you want to make a bid. And what a bid is it's simply saying this is the amount that I want to bid for in auction to get my ad placement. Because what happens is Pinterest runs an auction for your ads. So if you are it's like an auction to the highest bidder for this space right here. The easy way to just think about that is that you just want to make a low bid in here. Don't make a strong bid, make a low bid. So let's try 50 cents. Cool, 50 cents works. Low bids will usually fill up your ad budget, and it will minimize the cost per click for your ad. So always rock the low bids on these things. They normally our entire ad budget gets filled up just by using low bids, so that's really what we use. Okay, so once you have all this set up, you have your keywords, you have your audience, you have the name, you have how much money you want to spend. Well, then the next part is to go and you select the pin that you want to promote. And so you'll come down here and let's say, it's about losing weight. So how about this article on how to stay motivated to lose weight? We click this one is the one that we want to promote. And we can give it an additional name, but it's optional, destination URL. And then once we click this, our ad will be running. And we can come back here and see it in Pinterest. Now, I'm not going to click promote because, again, we're not allowed to promote that content on Pinterest. But that is exactly how to set up a promoted pin. And then what you can come do is just come back to the traffic campaigns, and it will have multiple campaigns down here that you're running if you're running more than one. And you can just come back here and you can view them and see how they're doing, see how many impressions you're getting, how much money you're spending, etc. So really, the key to mastering this thing is just going to be coming back here and playing around. Again, this is Pinterest Organic Traffic Avalanche. We're focused on organic traffic, not on running ads. But I did want to show you this process and sort of the step-by-step walkthrough if running a pin is something you're interested in. All right, guys, I will see you on the next video.